Welcome to Canada Kitchen's assembly video series. In this video, we will assemble a base cabinet. Recommended tools include wood glue, drill, nailer, and rubber mallet. Open the A and B boxes for your cabinet. The A box will include the front-facing parts of the cabinet, the doors, drawer fronts, and face frame, while the B box will contain the cabinet box panels, drawer boxes, shelves, and hardware. Cabinets with sides that are visible or exposed may require the side panel to be replaced with a colored panel matching the door and face frame. Review your layout and double-check the colored panel is needed and on the correct side. Step 1. Insert side panels into the face frame. Place the face frame upside down with the small drawer openings at the bottom. Align the dovetail joint of the panel with the matching groove of the frame. Slide the panel down until the edges are inside the grooves and are aligned. Then repeat for the other side panel. Step 2. Insert the cabinet floor. Place the cabinet floor into the grooves of the side panels. Slide forward until it fits inside the grooves of the face frame. Next, we will install the metal bracket that will secure the cabinet floor to the face frame. Secure the bracket to the face frame and cabinet floor using 5 screws provided. When placing screws into the face frame, it can be a good idea to pre-drill to avoid damaging the frame. Be careful not to drill too deep or too large a hole. Step 3. Attach the back panel. Insert the pegs at the back of the glide brackets into the peg holes of the back panel with the horizontal adjustment screw on top. Place 2 screws in each bracket into the back panel to secure the glide brackets. Place the groove inside the back panel onto the cabinet floor. Rotate the back panel in and repeat for the other side. Nail the side panel to the back panel, placing 6 to 8 inches apart. Take good aim and avoid placing your nails at an angle. Repeat for the other side panel. Step 4. Installing the toe kick. Place the toe kick as shown with the long edge facing up or toward the base of the cabinet. Nail into the side panels using 2 nails per side. Step 5. Install brackets and secure the back panel. Hold the 2-piece bracket into the inside of the corner. Attach the flat bracket to the side panel with 2 screws at the top and bottom. Lock the bracket with the last center screw through both bracket pieces. Repeat for the other back corner. Secure the back panel to the cabinet floor using a 35mm black screw into the pre-drilled hole at the back of the cabinet. Turn the cabinet over, placing it right side up. Step 6. Install top corner bracket. Install 90-degree metal brackets at each corner at the top of the cabinet. Remember, when placing screws into the face frame, it can be a good idea to pre-drill. Step 7. Install hinges and door. Please note, cabinets are typically positioned and secured before attaching the hinges, doors, and handles. This makes the cabinet lighter and easier to handle during installation. Attach the hinges using one screw per hinge into the holes provided on the inside of the face frame. Close the hinge and repeat for all hinges. Place the doors onto the hinges by inserting the hinges into the round slots inside the door. Slowly open the door. Place one screw in the top and bottom hinges to hold the door. Then, place one more screw into each hinge to secure the door. Step 8. Install drawer glides. Insert the drawer glide onto the bracket and slide back until the screw hole at the front lines up with the pre-drilled hole on the inside of the face frame. Place one screw for each glide to secure the glide to the cabinet. Step 9. Assemble and install drawer. Place glue in the grooves and dovetail slots of the drawer front and back. Attach the sides to the drawer front. Tap with a rubber mallet to lock into place. Make sure the grooves are all in the same position. Insert the drawer bottom into the grooves of the sides and slide it into the groove at the front. Separate the sides at the back and position the back of the drawer. Push the side back together, making sure that the drawer bottom fits in the grooves. Extend the drawer glides and open the plastic tab at the front of the glide. Place the drawer on the glide and insert the two metal tabs at the back of the glides into the holes at the back of the drawer. Insert the pegs at the front of the glides into the holes at the bottom of the drawer to complete the drawer installation. Place rubber bumpers on the inside of the drawer at each corner. Place rubber bumpers on the inside of the doors at the top and bottom corners. And that's it! Your cabinet is complete. Visit our website or YouTube page for more cabinet assembly videos.